Welcome. This animation will guide you step by step on how to use Navina Mini. First of all, open the lid and fill the entire water container with lukewarm tap water. Close the lid until you hear a click. Open the bag and assemble the rectal cone to the water container. Activate the slippery coating of the cone by wetting it with tap water. Sit on or stand over the toilet and insert the cone into rectum carefully. When the cone is in place, gently squeeze the water container to instill the water. Pull out the cone and let the bowel empty. Put the cone back in the bag. The cone and bag shall be disposed in the household waste. Open the lid and empty the remaining water. Clean the water container after each usage with soapy, lukewarm water. Let dry. Wash your hands and you're ready to go.